Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix can't connect tap to retry error in Facebook. So friends, before we get started, please do like this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos notification from Android tips. So friends, I will show you how to fix this problem. So friends, I will take you to Facebook. So friends, sometimes while browsing on Facebook, we may face this problem. You may face this problem. How to fix can't connect tap to retry error. Sometimes we may face this problem error problem while browsing into Facebook. So friends, the first thing, you need to check your internet connection. You just need to check your internet connection. Your internet connection should be good as well. And then and then and then step 2, if you're facing this problem, step 2, you just need to go to Play Store and search for Facebook, and then check whether your Facebook is to be updated or not. So if it is asking for update, please update the Facebook application and then try using Facebook. You may not face this problem. So friends, even after updating your Facebook application, you're still facing the problem, you just need to go to settings. And then search for apps. You can see apps here, and then manage apps. So friends, I'm using a Redmi device, so my interface might be different, so you may know that. So friends, right after going to manage apps, you just need to search for Facebook. Here you can see Facebook, and then you just need to clear the data of the Facebook application. Just clear the data of the Facebook application and then try re-logging in with your Facebook account, and then I assure you that you won't face this problem anymore. So friends, that's it. It's very easy and simple. I hope you understand this video. So till then, take care and thank you for watching this video.